अगर आपने मेन इन ब्लैक देखी है तो आपने ये वाला एक्सप्रेशन सुना होगा जिसमें कि एक रिक्रूटमेंट ऑफिसर नए आए हुए आवेदकों को बोलता है, आई वांट द बेस्ट ऑफ द बेस्ट ऑफ द बेस्ट सर. Now, if this person did not want to say I want the best of the best of the best, which sounds a little boring, and this person knew a little bit of French, this person would have said I want the crème de la crème. crème का मतलब होता है cream, तो मुझे cream की भी cream चाहिए, is what this person is basically wanting to say. This is a beautiful French expression, which means that the finest part, the most buttery part of the milk, the cream, is supposed to be the finest part. And therefore, if you say that these people here represent the crème de la crème, they're basically saying, I want the best. That not I want, but, well, maybe also I want, but that these people represent the best of the best. Nice? Would you like us to create a French program? Leave it in the comments below.